the mimic. They found the monkey chained behind an old roadside zoo, deep in the forest. It looked almost human, its wide, glassy eyes to knowing, to still. No one claimed it, so the rescue center took it in. That's when the mimicry began. At first, it just copied words, then phrases, then voices. It spoke with the exact tone of the volunteers who fed it, called them by name before they entered the room. Then it started laughing with their laughter, crying, too, but it never moved its lips. One night, the cameras caught it whispering to the dark, and from the forest behind the center, something whispered back. They say the place burned down that night. Only bones were found. The monkey, gone. But travelers say, late on foggy roads, they hear someone calling their name from the trees in their own voice. Follow for more.